beer.
So here we are back in the shop working on the 2015 2500 HD tow rig. Going to be taking off the big off-road bumper because this is going to be mainly a street ride, and put on the stock bumper. We have backup from Colin. And then also going to be taking off the mud flaps and the steps. But the most exciting thing going on is that I have new U-bolts for it. Going to be taking out the 2-inch blocks so that I can get in and out without a step stool, because this truck sits insanely high. To give you an idea, I'm 6 foot tall and the tailgate is up to my shoulder, which is not very fun if you're throwing tires and tools and that kind of good stuff in there. So gonna make it a little more manageable and easier for me and my old man body. First off, we're gonna have to take off these little panels. Will just make it a lot easier to get at the bolts and all that kind of stuff. So also I have Colin to help me because this thing weighs probably 5 times what I weigh, which is a lot. So let's go. Oh my, she's a wee bit heavy. Oh! You still want to hold this by yourself? The bumper's off, it's super heavy, obviously, as you saw us struggle. We just need to take the clip off the front grille, and then I need to order a new harness because they used actually house wiring nuts for it. Thanks, previous owner. So then I can have my fog lights working. The bumper is on now. All I'm gonna do is just take off the mud flaps and then the side steps, and then gonna pull it around to the lift and get to work on removing those blocks and throwing on those new U-bolts. Done. That's not the right place. Heck yeah. Right now, got a tape measure. We'll see where we're sitting at in the wind. We are at roughly 44 and 3/8 and 1 line. So hopefully we're gonna be down to 42 and 3/8 and 1 line. Now, over here, we're just gonna show this so that you know how much easier it's gonna be when this is dropped down a little bit. Because like this, utility, perfect. Just pop the tailgate, you're doing your weekend heavy lifting, got your cooler full of your favorite beverages, slide it right in, just like that. And then, oh, you're ready to rock. This one, see, it's up to my shoulder. That's just a lot, you know? Oh man, you just gotta really huck it up there and hope for the best. You're gonna get dents in your tailgate, you're gonna have all kinds of issues. I don't know, you get it a little shorty, whatever, they can't see in the cooler, you're gonna have a bad time. So we're gonna pull out these blocks and hopefully all these issues will be solved. So we got new U-bolts. So the idea, we got it on the hoist, we're just gonna lift it from the frame itself, loosen up the U-bolts, lift it up so the axle will still be just on the ground, don't have to disconnect a whole lot, and then pull the blocks out, put in the new U-bolts, and we should be good to go. Just brace yourself. Oh. Change of plans. I'm gonna try to just cut the studs, I guess, and then I could probably get a socket on here. So now we got all these cut off. Hopefully the impact will take them off, because I couldn't break them loose with the wrench, but that might be my lack of strength. So let's get it. Nope. We had to use the boo wrench, the torch, to heat these up because it's a lovely Iowa truck and we're here in Wisconsin in the Rust Belt. But now everything's out, we're good to lift and put in the new ones. This is essentially a leveling kit, as you can see. We're gonna pull it around and compare it to Colin's truck again. I think this, a whole lot more utility, and we'll be ready to rock, pull anything we want, throw anything in the bed, not have any cooler issues, we'll be good. We're at, officially, 42 and a half. So that's close. Look at this. Tailgate, no longer at my shoulder. It's like right at the nip height. Perfect. Reach in here. Won't have an issue. I'm sure he won't have an issue. A whole lot more doable. Make this a lot nicer for the track and everything. But that's all I had for today, so thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.